Hello beautiful faces, my name is Richa Pandey and welcome to my YouTube channel. I got this mic from Zingling, so I will be testing it out in this video. I have never used mic and let's see if the quality improves or what. So I will be testing out today. The wire is very long and I think we have this one which don't get attached to my phone. So I have this which I got with my phone. I have attached it way too long. So today's video is going to be Bandra haul and I went to Bandra after a very long time. So mostly I have picked blacks and whites. I don't know what was going on my mind. So the day I went to Bandra, I was bleeding a lot. Like it was my second or third day. So I was not able to, move around and explore much. So the moment I entered the first shop, I shopped from that shop. Then the shop which was nearby, like I did that type of shopping. Usually how I shop is like I explore the whole market, spend a lot of time at one store and then I pick up some items. But this time I just randomly picked the thing which I saw at the first glance. So the first item which I have with me is a white top. So here we have. So how it goes is like, this is a normal t-shirt and this thing goes like this. That crisscross pattern on your waist is trending. The same look this top gives. So I will add the try on over here and you can see how it looks on me. I quite liked it because the fitting was way too nice. So moving on with the next top, I have again in a white color. So I told you that I have shopped very impulsive way without even noticing that I'm just collecting the same color tops. So here we have, it is a very basic white tee. Like I didn't have anything in white, like basic white. So I wanted something. You will find everything in this haul very basic and simple because I had everything fancy and nothing simple. So I wanted to do some styling videos. So I needed something very simple which I can style it in multiple ways. So here we have the basic white tee and I will add the try over here. You can have a look. Moving on to the next one, I have a basic satin shirt and it is in such a pretty color. Like I am obsessed with it. Here it is. It's a very pretty satin shirt and it was way too large. I have altered it and I wanted the fit to be little loose. Have the try on. Next top we have a very basic black tee and here it is. It's very basic normal black tee. I have just bought everything for my styling video. And you won't believe what stupidity I have done. You can see this top. Wait a second. Just look at both of them. They're exactly the same and exactly from the same brand. Just the difference is it is in XS and this is in medium. I am telling you, I was not in my senses. I was on my period and my mind fucked up. It wasn't working and I couldn't even I didn't even realize that purchasing the same t-shirt. So next up we have this earring hoops and it's in shell. I already had the one in pearl, like gold pearl thing. It's looking cute, right? Next up we have this scrunchie and it's in my favorite color, which is lilac. Again we have something in white. I told you I'm just going to see white and black and only few colors in this haul. I ironed every piece before filming this video because I just don't like my outfits to be wrinkly. So here we have, it's a very long dress and I'm not going to open it right now. I will add the try on and you will see it. And the best part about this is, oh my god, it has pockets. It's very rare to find pocket in women's clothing item and I was so happy when I found it. And it looks really nice on me. And it also has this string at the waist so you can tighten it and loosen it accordingly. Next I would like to show you all one more thing in white and that's this like a jacket in a mesh. It's a mesh jacket, and we have very huge. This is very huge, you know. We can pair it with a bralette inside or a white top, anything you want, and it's really nice. See the try on, you will get an idea how it looks. I personally really liked it. So my favorite item from all of them, I will be going to show you at the last, and it's not only one but three. Like really, the three of them are star purchase for me personally. Thing, I would say, yeah, the last. In black we have this beautiful short jacket. It's like, you know, perfectly cropped from the areas it should be, and I really liked it. And it has you can see this texture, it's velvet, and it is also on the wrist. I meant the wrist part. Have a look here. So talking about the star purchase of this haul for me in clothing, bag and heel. My favorite clothing item is this. Can you look at it? This is such a pure rose color, and this is a corset. This is a corset shirt, and I have been looking and searching for corset since a long time. I got this pretty corset shirt, and this is my most favorite. It makes me look so beautiful. I'm already, but it makes me look more. So you can have a look. I am literally obsessed with this shirt. If you tell me to wear this every day, obviously I won't, because I don't like to repeat my clothes. But I really like it. Next, the two remaining items that are heel and bag, they are my favorite. I have been searching for white heel and white bag since a very long time. Here it is. You can see how pretty this bag is, and it's perfectly in my favorite color, that is white. So, and this is adjustable, like you can adjust the ruffle thing. And we have this colorful chain, but you can't remove this one, and this is detachable thing, and you can maybe I might remove this chain if, like, I have mixed feeling for this chain, but if we put it aside, even this way this bag looks good, and this is adding a pop of color which makes it look good as well. I don't mind. Also we have one more, this long thing, and I don't usually use this one, and it is quite spacious, well, so it's perfectly fine and my favorite. So we are at the end of the video, and I have the best thing to show in the last. So here it is. You can see how pretty these heels are. These are perfectly square toes which are trending, and this ruffle detailing, I think we call it ruffle or ruched. I think both of them we can call it. And my foots are very small, as you already know if you have saw my first Pandra haul. I couldn't get my transparent heels just because my foot was so tiny, and this was perfectly for my size, and I was happy. Like, if you pay attention, you can see these are properly matching. Happy with these two products. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what you have to do: like, share and subscribe to my channel.